Dear manufacturers of hinges, it's essential to note that you now require mandatory BIS certification for hinges to sell in the market. In today's video, we will dive into the latest order released by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, namely the Hinges Quality Control Order 2023. Throughout this video, we'll be covering the list of products under the QCO, the effective date of the order, product specifications, how MindSync can assist you in obtaining BIS certification. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. I'm Baston Benny, and you're watching MindSync's BIS series. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Let's begin by examining the list of products under the Quality Control Order. There are 9 mandatory standards, including stainless steel butt hinges, steel butt hinges, non-ferrous metal butt hinges, T and strap hinges, parliament hinges, continuous piano hinges, steel back flap hinges, double acting spring hinges, cabinet hinges. Now, let's examine the effective date, which is 6 months from the notification of this order, dated the 8th of December, 2023. For micro enterprises, it's 12 months, and for small enterprises, it's 9 months. Now, let's move on to the product specifications. Starting with the stainless steel butt hinges. This standard encompasses various types and requirements for materials, dimensions, manufacture, and finish of stainless steel butt hinges. These include lightweight, narrow hinges, lightweight unequal flap hinges, medium weight hinges, medium weight, narrow hinges, heavy weight unequal flap hinges, heavy weight hinges. Packing. Hinges should be packed in cardboard boxes or any approved packing in specific quantities or multiples of 5, as follows. For 50, 65, 75 mm sizes, 20 pieces in each package. For 100, 125, 150 mm sizes, 10 pieces in each package. Each packing must be labeled with particulars such as the type, size, quantity, and indication of the source of manufacture. Next, we dive into the steel butt hinges standard. This comprehensive guideline outlines the requirements for materials, dimensions, manufacture, and finish of steel butt hinges. These hinges must be meticulously crafted, devoid of any flaws or defects. They should boast clean, square cuts and come equipped with mild steel hinge pins. The positioning of the hinge pin hole must be central and square to the knuckles, while all sharp edges and corners should be meticulously removed. Moving on, we address the non-ferrous metal butt hinges standard. This specification is crucial for butt hinges crafted from non-ferrous metals. These hinges come in 4 distinct types based on the material used. Extruded aluminum alloy butt hinges, extruded brass butt hinges, cast brass butt hinges, sheet brass butt hinges. Next, we explore the T and strap hinges standard. This guideline outlines the requirements for mild steel T and strap hinges commonly utilized in general building construction. These hinges must be impeccably constructed, free from burrs, flaws, or defects. They should exhibit square movement, ensuring smooth operation without any play or shake. The hole for the hinge pin should be precisely centered to the boss, firmly riveted over to form well-defined heads. Furthermore, all screw holes must be clean, countersunk, and suitable for countersunk headwood screws. Moving forward, we examine the parliament hinges standard. This standard encompasses the requirements pertaining to materials, manufacture, finish, marking, and packing of parliament hinges. Parliament hinges are classified into 3 types. Type 1, cast. Type 2, pressed. Type 3, fabricated. Materials for these hinges vary depending on the type. Type 1, cast brass. Type 2, mild steel, aluminum alloy. Type 3, extruded aluminum alloy. Continuing, we review the continuous piano hinges standard. This guideline outlines the requirements for continuous hinges, also known as piano hinges. These hinges require a hinge pin made of mild steel for mild steel hinges, or mild steel, galvanized, or aluminum alloy for aluminum alloy hinges. The aluminum alloy hinge pin must be hard anodized to a minimum thickness of 0.025 mm and sealed with oil wax or lanolin. The hinge pin should fit firmly within the knuckle, facilitating easy movement without looseness. Next, we address the steel back flap hinges standard. This specification covers the types and requirements concerning materials, dimensions, manufacture, and finish of steel back flap hinges. Continuing, we move on to the double-acting spring hinges standard. This standard delineates the requirements for materials, dimensions, manufacture, finish, and tests of double-acting spring hinges, along with corresponding blank hinges primarily used for swing doors. Double-acting spring hinges are categorized into two types based on the material used. Mild steel double-acting spring hinges. Brass double-acting spring hinges. Lastly, we explore the cabinet hinges standard. This standard lays down the requirements for materials, type, dimensions, finish, and functional performance of cabinet hinges. The size of the cabinet hinge is denoted by the length of the hinge in its closed condition. Cabinet hinges are manufactured in various sizes, with the most common sizes being 30 mm, 50 mm, 75 mm, 100 mm, 125 mm, 150 mm, 175 mm, and 200 mm. Cabinet hinges are classified into three types based on the installation of cabinet doors: full overlay, half overlay, inset. Now, you might be wondering, how can MindSync assist me in this process? Well, here's the answer. At MindSync, we understand that navigating the certification process can be complex and time-consuming. That's where we come in. We're here to support you throughout the entire certification journey, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Our team is well versed in the intricacies of BIS certification, and we're committed to making the process hassle-free for you. Partnering with MindSync means you have a dedicated ally, guiding you from documentation to the final grant of certification. We prioritize your success and adherence to quality standards. So, if you are looking for a reliable partner to streamline your BIS certification journey, look no further than MindSync.